like streaming here. And I see my neighbor. Oops. Hang on.
I got it.
Come here, Daisy. Calm down. Don't even try and lick the camera. I'm trying to do a YouTube video right now. Hey, you're too hyper. I can't move that fast. Hey, I can't get a good shot of you. Come here. Come here. Let me get a good shot. Stop. Oh my gosh. I cannot get it. What are you doing? Daisy! I cannot get a good shot of her. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah!
She don't like the camera.
Ha! I got you. I got your butt. I got your butt. If y'all look closely, there's one of these spots on her that can turn into a heart. It's actually
A rubber ducky.
It's
a rubber ducky.
Yeah, it does look like it if you look. Yeah, it is. It does look like a rubber duck.
It's a rubber duck. It's a rubber duck.
Yeah, it's a rubber duck, guys. Comment down if you see another dog like that.
Come on.
Come on, girl. This way, Days. This way, Day. Day. Lazy Daisy. Come on.
Come on, Daisy Duke.
Come on, Lazy Daisy. Oh, yeah, she got named from Daisy Duke, guys. She got named from Day Zook. Come on, I'm coming up. Oh, boy. Might as well walk her up to here. All right. Come on, Daisy. I'm coming. There.
Come on, baby girl.
You gotta go in, sweetie.
Come on.
Girl,
Come on.
go. Your sis gonna get out. Bye. Alright, guys, I kinda had to film that. It was too cute to resist, guys. You got to admit. Well, bye, bunch of truckers.